Dear viewers and our subscribers, welcome to our channel, The Blissful Branches. Thank you for your love and support. If you follow our channel, then you know that we basically upload the blissful videos based on nature, cooking, and religion. And in this video, you are watching a unique shop in Nederland, Colorado named Nature's Own, which has exclusive collections of rock-based variety items like fossils, mosasaurs, meteorites, crystal, minerals, gems, geodes, etc. We are requesting please watch our all videos till the end as our videos are only on YouTube. Please share our videos as much as possible and do subscribe our channel so that we motivate to entertain you in coming days. And please stay with us. Thank you.
ডাইনোসরস অনেক রকম আছে তার মধ্যে একটা নাম হচ্ছে exactly the particular dinosaur is the species name. Almost 900 million years হয়েছিল কত স্পিসিস এসেছে গেছে করেছে করেছে জলের মধ্যে ছিল আর মাটিতে ছিল বড় ছোট ছিল